Coach, ilang steps ba yung kailangan i-target in a day?
Steps in a day, target natin at least minimum 5,000 tapos maximum 10,000.
Araw-araw ba kailangan yun, coach?
At least siguro in a week, mga 4 to 5 times a week para meron talaga tayong result na makuha. Kasi ang maganda sa walking is pwede natin siyang gawin all throughout the day. So i-breakdown natin siya. Pwede ka mag 5,000 in the morning, 5,000 in the evening, or basta galaw ka lang ng galaw on a day, i-on mo lang yung step tracker mo. Matatrack mo na kung ilan yung steps na nagagawa mo. So the more na meron kang nagagawang steps in a day, syempre, the more na nagpa-fire yung metabolism mo at nakaka-burn ka ng body fat. So, kung ang goal mo talaga is mapag-lose ng weight, so make sure natatrack mo yung steps mo at nagagawa mo yung minimum 5,000 at maximum 10,000 in a day. Yun lang. Bye-bye.